right, fly the same pattern, because that was perfect for these winds.
185.
Kicking the right rudder, left wing down a little sooner so I can see it. And then even if we touch down, even if we don't touch down. And then the other thing is on the low approach, let's assume you do the low approach. If you're above 60, just dump the flaps all the way to the floor and get the nose up so we can climb away at 60. So do those two things on this approach, regardless of whether we touch down or just low approach. So cross control sooner and above 60, dump the flaps, park the nose.
All right, I made it to pattern altitude. Wait, it is what it is. All right, fuel selector is good. Mixture. Rich, please check your seatbelt. Carbeat's already out. Landing light stayed on. We're going to do the same approach speed. We'll try the whole thing again, 65, low approach. Since I know it's going to take 40 years to get there, I'm just going to cut it in a little early. See what happens.
Traffic 1100, left base 36 Hilliard.
I knew I'd be a little high. I'm okay with that.
Oh, this is perfect, dude. Look at the lights, man.
Okay.
This is a really nice pattern, a really nice approach. Traffic, Skype 1100 is final 36 option. It's good because it is gusty and you got a nice gust correction, so your speed's actually very good. For the tape, you're 65, which is great. And when you're comfortable, show me your left rudder, right wing down. Good speed, 62, very nice. A little 63. You can come over to the right a little. Keep it coming. You get the power all the way back and let's see if we can land.
36.
Smooth with the nose. Easy with the nose, easy with the nose. That's okay, keep it coming.
Yeah.
Okay, max power. The nose back, make sure you got the nose program back. No, you got, yep, now, do that, but do this. And stay, now here's where you got to push. Get to 60. I know the trees are getting big, you got too many flaps, that's why, your flap's 20. Now get 6, yeah, flap's 20, that's why. I'm going to stay right here to clear these trees.
Yep.
Flaps 20 is what got us, what bit us.
I was going to 10. And I thought you told me to not.
That was miscommunication, that's my bad. So, just to be crystal clear.
Yeah.